Anyway, make some holes here. Grapes, raspberry. This is going to be candy raspberry. Grapes over there. Hold on. The reason I want to show you this, look at all these birds. We get so many birds here. Beautiful. Hold on. Let me go check on my duck. Hey, baby. Look at her. Look at all the eggs she's got. You'll be okay. Hold on. The reason I came through here. Watch this. See that over there? Oh God, hold on. Maybe they won't get scared. It's like a sanctuary. My ducks are over there with them. Yeah. Look at this. See, there's all these ducks. These all hang out on my back pond. Look at them. Gotta get it closer. See those? I don't know what kind of birds those are. We got little birds everywhere. It's so alive back here. You see my ducks over there? They're just having fun. There's nothing. You see, you can pick up my ducks from the white duck. Those birds, I don't know what those are called. Anyway. So. We started working on the planning. So we have kiwi there. That's going to be Chicago hardy figs. 2 of them there. That's all this stuff. We're going to fix this up, move this storage building. And fortunately, my collard greens didn't make it. So I had to pull those out. And this is where I'm gonna put, this is a, I think it's a moscovy grapes, purple grapes. And again, we got my raspberry. One is a fall gold raspberry and the other one is a candy raspberry. These get planted on Thursday. But everything looks good. My chickens are doing good. See y'all later.